4th of July is coming soon. You know what that means? Fireworks. With lots of booms and explosions. This could be a lot for a person with autism, but I recommend some ways you can help it. Get some noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. That way you can still enjoy the fireworks show without being overwhelmed. You can find some good stuff on Amazon. It's going to really help. If you want some more tips and tricks, follow my blog, follow my account. I post all good stuff here every day. You're going to love it. Everybody's going to love it. It's going to be great.